Up next, SciFiantasy Secret Santa gift swap and SciFiantasy Christmas giveaway. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiantasy.com and welcome to another Modelers Tube video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the SciFiantasy Secret Santa, and we're also going to talk about the SciFiantasy Christmas giveaway that we have every year. So the first thing we'll talk about is the SciFiantasy Secret Santa, and there's going to be a few minor changes to it. I used to run it when we had a form on Model Builder International, and hopefully one day we'll have that back. But I started it again last year on SciFiantasy's social media platform in one of the groups. We started a group, started a Secret Santa, and we swapped gifts. Now it was people from all around the world, and we sent each other our gifts and had a great time on Christmas Day. Some got to open them earlier because they're ahead of us. Some were a little later because they're behind me. So it went like that. We're going to make a few small changes to the Secret Santa this year. Last year we had a limit of, I think it was $30 on the gift. And then people shipping from one part of the world to the other had that extra expense of shipping costs. So what we're going to do this year is hopefully we have enough people on either side of the world, and we're going to gift swap in the US and South America and Canada and stuff like that, and then the European side. This way we could cut down on the cost of shipping for everybody but still have the gift swap. But if we don't get enough people from both sides of the world, then it'll be like last year and we'll swap it up. The other thing is we made it a group build where you had to be finished by this Christmas Eve. So we're actually going to change that up. It's more about the gift swap and gift giving and having a good time at Christmas. We still want you to build those models, but we're not going to have you set to a certain date because some people do have projects going on and they don't have time to do that one, but they catch up with it later on and do it. So as long as they're built and you post them on either Modelers Tube or on our website and say, hey, this is from the Secret Santa 2018 and I'm building this one, that's all cool. So if you're interested in it, come over to SciFiantasy.com, hit the community tab. If you're not registered, it'll make you register, and then you go over to the groups tab, find the Secret Santa, join up there, and just follow the directions and you can be in on it. If you have any trouble joining the site, let me know. I'll get you on. I'll show you where everything is, because I know it's always a little funky going to a new site and try to figure out what's going on. So the more and more people that come over, the more and more gifts that'll be exchanged, and we'll have a good time with that. So let's get on to the next thing. So next up, we're going to talk about the SciFiantasy Christmas giveaway. Every year I give away probably 3 presents because thanks to Mrs. Claus Kelly, she gives me a $300 budget and I buy what I can, and usually it's 3 airbrushes. That falls in the range and we give them away. This year we're lucky enough to give away 8 prizes because I recalculated and airbrushes, I guess, was getting a little old every year. This year we're going to give away models, and that's going to be 8 1/650 scale Star Trek Enterprises by AMT. And how this works, as usual, you're going to have to go to SciFiantasy.com, become a registered member, just go to the community, hit the button. If you're not registered, it's going to go through the whole registration process, and if you have any trouble with that, I will help you out. Now, there's simple rules, and that's one of them, is being a registered member. The second rule is you have to be an active member of SciFiantasy.com. And that's just to be fair to everybody, because if you come over and just register and not use the community, it's not fair to the guys that are all original members and that have been signing up and are using the community every day. Those guys, you know, they're the ones promoting it, they're the ones using it. And if you become a user and you're there all the time, we'll be able to track all that, and those people will be in the drawing for Christmas presents this year. Sorry to anybody that's going to hate on that, but it's not fair to all the people that are using the community and enjoying it, posting up their pictures, posting statuses and all that good stuff. So just come over, sign up, use the community, get off all those social media giants where there's a whole bunch of nonsense going on over there. Come over here and just talk about modeling and all that other good stuff. So maybe we'll take a little look inside the kit to show you what's up with it, and then I'll be right back. This isn't going to be a full-fledged review. I just want to show you guys what you're going to be getting for Christmas, whoever may be the lucky winners. This box is cool. It's got the 50th anniversary sleeve on it, which I usually don't collect boxes, but I may actually keep this one because it's pretty cool. And then you got, this reminds me of being a kid. I'm sorry if there's a glare on there, but I like the drawing and stuff like that. And on the side, you got Kirk and the 50th anniversary. And let's see what's on the other side. You got Mr. Spock over here. And on the back, it shows you the built-up ship. And then inside, we're just going to go quickly over it. I'm not going to open too many packages. You got the usual base with the little stand here. And then you got your saucer section, which is pretty big. It's bigger than my hand. So you'll be able to light this guy up. Then you got another package here, and that's with the nacelles and a couple other end caps and stuff like that over there. Then you got the main body, the engineering section, and the lower half. So it's a nice kit. Once you build it up, it's just quick unboxing really to show you, like I said before. And then you got a whole bunch of decals here where you can make a whole bunch of different ships. And these actually look like they may be stickers. This set, I'm not sure, it feels like stickers. I think they are. It looks like cut marks. That could possibly be stickers. Let me see what we got over here. And then we got more. I opened this up. These are the decals, yes. All right. Hopefully you can see that. But I'm not going to take it all out. These are the decals. We got all the ship numbers in here and everything like that. Now I want to play with these and pull it off. Yes, these are definitely stickers. I probably won't use these. If I don't and somebody wants them, I'll let you know. That's just a quick look at what's in the package. So you got 1, 2, 3 bags of goodies plus your stand. Then if you want to add more onto it, you can. And I know Lucas at Green Strawberry has a bunch of stuff for this ship. So that's it for this video on ModelersTube.com. We went over our Secret Santa gift swap and our Christmas giveaway. Hopefully we see everybody over at SciFiantasy.com using the site. This way you have a chance for a Christmas gift. Not only that, but you make some more friends. You get to show us your work. Let us get to see what you're doing, and we may learn from you and you may learn from us. As long as we're all having a good time building models. That's the main point of it. So come on over to SciFiantasy, sign up, join the gift swap, get your chance at one of these things, and we'll all have a good holiday season as usual. So that's pretty much it on this video. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, just throw them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Like I said, on Modelers Tube, it takes me a little bit longer because I don't get instant notifications. That's it, everybody. I hope you have a great night. Take care and bye-bye.